Man, it's day 8, and I still ain't got y'all no workout video. Because the man cave was not only junky at first, now it turned into a damn Christmas gift hub. But anyway, good morning. Good morning, good morning. I'm gonna fire up this car. Oh. And it's early. Again. We gotta get up early now, cause dude of mine in big school, we gotta pick him up from big school. So we gotta go to work early so we can get off work early. Crazy how life works, right? Crazy how life works. Huh, I don't feel it ain't that cold in here. So, well, we'll talk about that in a second. We'll talk about that in a second. Give me a second. Yeah. Boy, I had a good time last night, boy. I DoorDash good. I DoorDash so good. The money just piling up in the DoorDash account, man. Which is cool because that's another avenue that I can go to and be like, hey, I got a little change over here. But how rude of me, man. Y'all know what's going on. Man, I really appreciate y'all being here. Please, man, please. Like, comment, subscribe. Check out them links, man. I got another link that I gotta look up. I got a link that I gotta look up that I gotta put in my links. That would be very useful. I know for sure one of them would be very useful for some of the guys, most of the guys that's here on the channel, man. Some trans boats. 4L60 boats. Pretty sure they probably go 4L82. But I'm gonna share that link with y'all. I'm gonna do some research on the fuel system because I think I'm about to upgrade the fuel system on MayRose. And I'm gonna have to do that same process for the Redbird, man. They both gonna need a lot of fuel. So I will let y'all know when them links hit. In the meantime, however they go. In the meantime, in between time, y'all just go ahead and hit them links that's already there. Also, man, my likes. Man, my likes are terrible, y'all. Likes are terrible, man. I'm getting... What's up with the likes, man? What's up with the likes? I know I'm getting out there, y'all. Like, I know I am. Y'all gotta... Come on, man. Step it up for me one time, man. Like, y'all want the content, but it's like, it ain't getting out. Because I ain't in the metaverse with the algorithm, with the, you know what I'm saying, with the, you know, with the toolery and the foolery and the button pushing of the likes, man. You know what I'm saying? I need y'all to do that for me. You know what I'm saying? So right now, man, I'm asking y'all. I know this ain't hard. I know this ain't hard. I'm asking y'all for 100 likes on these videos. 100 likes, bro. It's over 2,000 of y'all subscribe to me. I'm asking for 100 likes just to smooth the algorithm, man, to be like, okay, Beelo talking about something. 100 likes, man. If you're cool with me, fool with me, man. 100 likes. That's all I'm asking for. I ain't asking for 2,000 likes. I ain't asking for 1,000. I ain't asking for 500. I'm asking for 100 likes from over 2,000 individuals. Can I get there from y'all? Or is the content not that interesting and I don't deserve 100 likes? That's all I'm asking for. 100 likes. Out of all the people that subscribe, I'm asking for 100. One stinking ass 100. Yeah, you got too close, boy, because I was finna make that turn. Ooh, I was finna make that turn, yeah. Oh, boy. I gotta do some stuff. I gotta do some stuff. I gotta get some stuff together. I got a lot going on, man. So we gotta figure this out. Gotta figure it out. But hold on, let me go on here, man, right quick. Hold on. Yo. Yeah, man. Still working, man. Still working. I'm in traffic. Oh my God, this lane closed. Still working. I'm in traffic. Watching Mr. Organic, man. I know it's not. Watching Mr. Organic on the cellular device. But yeah, man. Hey, let me tell you something. Man, people can say what they want to say about dude, man. People can say what they want to say about dude. Hey, dude coming through, and he coming through hard. You hear me? Hey, man. Dude moved to Miami. Dude done moved from Minnesota to Cali to Switzerland, back to Miami. Man, if this shit was like a facade, if it was fake, some shit like that, I ain't dick riding. Let's get that understood first. I ain't dick riding. But if that shit was fake, bro, like dude would have been fell off a long time ago. You know what I'm saying? Like something is going on. You know what I'm saying? Like he got motion, bro. Like the man really got motion, and he be putting them gems out there for real. Like he real deal be spreading that wealth, man. You know what I'm saying? Like really, all y'all gotta do is really pay attention to what he be saying. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like he bullshit a lot. You know what I'm saying? He a bullshitter. You know what I'm saying? And that's cool. All of us are. But when it come time to for him to, you know what I'm saying, like be for real, be serious on real deal business type shit, man, I think dude damn near a genius type. For real. This shit crazy. I watch him and I just be like, you know what I'm saying, I laugh at a lot of shit, but at the same time I be looking at it like, hey man, dude ain't bullshit. So, man, shout out to Mr. Organic, man, for that, man, you know what I'm saying? Shit, like, damn. Like, I'm talking about, he making a move everywhere he fucking go. Everywhere. Like, it's not, that shit is unreal. That shit unreal, man. And he telling you and he showing you how to do it. He telling you and showing you how to do it. Like, the man give out so much free game. Him and Bandman Kevo. Man, them folks give out so much free game, bro. It's ridiculous. So I just wanted to get in her mind on the clip and say that real quick. You know what I'm saying? Because, like I said, I ain't dick riding. None of that right there, man. I mean, shit, real is real. Real is real. Like, that shit is crazy, bro. Like, that shit is unreal. It don't seem real. It don't seem real at all. But like I said, yeah, I just wanted to come here and say that, man. I'm still at work for the head down here, man. Check on some trailers real quick. And man, watch these videos, watch some more videos or whatever. Binge watching them really. Yeah. I hit y'all back in a minute. The dude is at the house finishing up with Ashton car. Hopefully he get finished today because I think it's supposed to rain tomorrow. So if I get off in time and he's still there, I'm gonna go ahead and you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go ahead and get that footage for y'all. But yeah, that's where we at, man. That's where we at. So I'll be back in a second. Y'all hold it down, man. And I'm cutting this video here off. I'm cutting this video off early so I can post it hopefully before 5 o'clock. That's what I'm doing today for y'all. Thank you very much. Look at this, man. Look at this, man. I better stop playing. I told you that, what was that, yesterday? Was that yesterday? I was like, yeah. Only thing is left now is wrap up. And it's wrapped up. Whole subframe back on the car. What's that? What's this mountain right here? That's on the ground. I gotta go back. I see it still got bolts in it, so it gotta go back up. Yes, sir. We got action, dog. See, I had to put a little paint on that mount, man. I couldn't. Yeah, I can't stand. You know what I'm saying? The first time when you first open up your hood, the first time you see it rust, like I can't stand this shit.
I noticed that shit down. Because he told me, I'm looking at it, I'm like, damn, this ain't the new one.
No.
Like, this ain't the new one.
Yeah, so that mount right there goes right here. Right? Yeah. That mount goes right there. But got motor, transmission back in. Yes, sir. Dog, I'm getting it together, man. So now we gonna let him do what he gotta do. You know what I'm saying? But you know what I'm saying, we gonna talk to him, let him get his number out, everything out, you know what I'm saying? That, you know, if that's what he wanna do. Cause y'all know some people be weird, calling, doing weird shit, and ain't nobody got time for that. But yeah, man. We back up with the Honda. Subframe back up. Struts back up. Transmission up. He wrapping up. Yes, sir. So, with that being said, man, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up because I'm trying to get y'all videos up before 9, 10 o'clock at night. I don't feel like that's fair to y'all, you know what I'm saying? Putting videos up that late at night, you know what I'm saying? 10, 11 o'clock at night, you know what I'm saying? I don't feel like that's cool, so, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go ahead, close this out, get this video up, so y'all can get y'all view on, enjoyment of the Vlogmas series, and I will catch y'all tomorrow, man. Don't forget, like I said, man, hit them links, subscribe, comment, hit them likes, man. You know what I'm saying? Hit them likes, please hit them likes. 75 to 100 likes. I'm gonna say 100 likes. 75, I ain't gonna be mad. You know what I'm saying? But let's curve this algorithm a little bit. You know what I'm saying? 75 likes, man, on the videos. I know y'all can do it. I know we can do it. So, that being said, man, it's your dog, Big B-Lo, Mr. Ain't a Man himself. Catch y'all tomorrow.